In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to create a high converting YouTube thumbnail using nothing but AI. No Photoshop, no design skills, just drag, drop, type, and done. And here's the best part. I'll take a video with a good thumbnail, generate a new one live in front of you. If you are a creator trying to grow your channel, this might just be the shortcut you have been waiting for. Let's be real. Your thumbnail makes or breaks your video. You could have a killer script, insane editing, but if the thumbnail sucks, no one's clicking. The truth? Most creators don't have the time, the tools, or the design sense to create thumbnails that actually convert. You either waste hours trying to figure out Photoshop, pay $2,200 per thumbnail, or just use whatever YouTube grabs as an auto screenshot. That's where AI steps in. Let me show you how I do it using a tool called My AI Thumbnail, a platform that's actually built for creators like you. Here's how simple it is. Search your videos idea on YouTube so you'll have an idea that this is working on YouTube. Then you can directly download the thumbnail or just copy that YouTube link. Then go to myaithumbnail.com, paste that YouTube link, write if you want some changes in the thumbnail, include your face if you want to make it more personalized, and boom, you have a great thumbnail that actually converts. That took me less than 2 minutes, and here's the result. Let's compare that with the original thumbnail. Looks great, right? Not only this, if you just put your title on myaithumbnail.com, it will create a personalized thumbnail for you in just 20 seconds. That's great, right? Just put the YouTube title and it will generate highly converting thumbnails for you. When you can create thumbnails in minutes, you unlock something bigger. Test 3 to 4 thumbnails per video, repurpose old videos with the new thumbnails, save time and money. You don't need a design team. You just need the right tool. If you want to try this for yourself, there's a free plan you can start with right now. Just head to myaithumbnail.com. It is made for the creators struggling with the one thing that makes the big difference on YouTube. Don't sleep on thumbnails. They're not decoration. They're the first impression that gets the click. Try it and let me know your results in the comments. I read everyone.